You know what? I just want to put a few things together. I may not say a lot on this one. I'm just trying to understand and keep on track with the trial going on with the international law world court. But this is what I have. Oh, why am I scratching my head? This is what I have put together so far. Let me know what you think.
Completely indiscriminate bombing of Gaza.
And a quick
I'm
follow up,
curious.
if I may, if you don't mind, Jessica. Just I
Go for it.
wanted to ask about Senator John Fetterman's comments. He pointed out that he believes that there is a genocide happening against white farmers in South Africa, which would diminish their credibility to speak out on this issue. He's, of course, referring to the fact that there have been thousands of farmers subject to murder and rape and torture in South Africa over the past decade. Farmers are reportedly 2 to 3 times more likely to be murdered than the average South African citizen.
Really? I I didn't know that. I didn't know South Africa had a Caucasian farmer problem. It is, I, I feel like we would have heard something. I can recall one incident in, well, that's the first one I've ever heard of actually since I've been living my life. But a whole genocide of them in South Africa? Hmm, hmm. Okay, you got that. And then I see this.
The ICJ or whether it's in federal court. Listen to the arguments after
Does he
a
look
day yesterday.
I'm sorry. Does he look nervous? It's like that whole team looks. I don't know. They look. I don't know. They don't look confident.
Where, frankly, for the first time in the last 3 months, we've been able to hear from beginning to end uninterrupted.
I'm sorry. Did she say beginning to end, uninterrupted? Why would she? Why would she add that caveat? Why would she add the caveat of uninterrupted? Why would she add the caveat of beginning to end, uninterrupted? They were able to hear. And look at the South African lawyers, honey. They read him.
On intent, laying out, the litany of statements by Israeli officials from the highest level of government, all the.
Let me see. What did she say right here?
If we can't stop an unfolding genocide, then what is any of it for? Or a preliminary injunction asking the court to order the end of military assistance and other forms of assistance, political and diplomatic assistance to Israel in light of the unfolding genocide.
She was saying that South Africa made a very compelling argument. I am I'm watching, baby. I am watching. And then, not even trying to see this.
Here is how you can generate all these ad creatives under 1 minute. So the
according to the
I
Genocide
ran,
Convention.
not even trying to hear this piece, but it popped up on the screen, and I'm just like, what? What? Tell me what you think.
Who are they really fighting? It's a group of cowards. They hide in tunnels. They hide behind civilians. They attack, kill, and mutilate children, women, and they do that. Stop talking about proportion on that.
Stop talking about proportion. Say what now?
They shot their best shot on October 7th.
And you guys are still shooting your shots a month later. Wait, October, November, December, 2.5 months later. Lord, please help me understand.
And they would have taken more lives if they couldn't do that. But
That Israel has no intention of occupying Gaza. Note that forced mass displacement can be considered a genocidal act. However, it's important that you know that Bibi's recent statements are in direct contradiction with a number of statements from senior Israeli officials that are cited in South Africa's 84-page petition. Statements.
I mean, I really don't have to hear anymore because I've seen it all. I have seen it all over social media, and it is not pretty. Okay? It is not. It did something to my soul. Just saying. Um, I'll be watching.